Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's class, we are going to solve Winter 2020 Paper 11 IGCSE Accounting. This is a subscriber requested video. So let's start the class. Question number 1. A trader prepares financial statements each year. What do these assist the trader to do? When the trader preparing financial statement, what help the trader? First, calculate the amount owing to credit supplier. Answer is wrong. Calculate the cash drawing. Wrong. Check the bank statement balance. Last, make decision about the future. Trader prepare the financial statement. It will help the business to take the future decisions. So the correct answer is D. Second question. The following balances appeared in Hussein's book. What is the question? What was the total liabilities? Which are the liabilities here? Fixtures are the assets. No. Inventory. No. Trade receivables. These all are the assets. Trade payables. What the business have to pay. What is they are owing to outside is called liabilities. So trade payable is the liability. Other receivables means again business has to receive, that is the asset. Other payables, again business has to pay, liability. Loan to Imran, business is giving loan, that is not the liability of the business. While when business is taking loan from outside, that is the liability. So loan to Imran is not the liability. Bank overdraft, another liability with the bank. So the total liability is equal to 4,500 plus 300 plus 1,400 is equal to 6,200. So the correct answer is B. Question number 3. The following account appeared in the books of Mary. Mary's book, one account Mary is preparing. The account name is Paul account. Mary is preparing in her book Paul's account. Who is Paul to Mary? Debtor or creditor, or accounts receivable or payable? Balance brought down sales. Sales means Mary's sales report to Paul. So Paul must be a customer. Paul is the customer. So balance brought down. Paul is owing money to Mary. That is balance brought down. Then Paul purchased. Mary sold goods to Paul. Paul returned goods to Mary. Paul paid check to Mary with a discount. And the closing balance owed. Paul owing to Mary 125. What is the question? Which statement is correct? What is the correct statement? First option. On 1st April, Paul owed Mary $90. Paul is the customer. Paul is owing to Mary 90 on 1st April. First option itself is correct. Next. Question number 4. Which business document is used to update the cash book for standing order payment? Standing order payment, which document the business is using? Bank statement, check counterfoil, paying in slip, receipt. When the business is getting the bank statement, so bank statement is the document business is using to update the cash book by standing the order. Correct answer is A. Fifth question. On 1st March 2020, the bank column of cash book had a credit balance $290. During March, checks totaling $580 were received and again total check of $610 were paid to suppliers. One more entry, bank charges $12 incurred in February were also entered in the cash book. There are two payments, one received with credit balance. So what is the question? What was the balance of bank column in cash book on 1st April 2020? Cash book bank column. Bank column. First, credit balance 290. Balance brought down. Balance brought down is 290 on the credit side. Then check received. All the receipt is on the debit side of the cash book. So receipt is 580 on the debit side. Next, check paid. Payment is on the credit side. Paid 610. Bank charges 12. Again bank charges is the payment. Payment is again 12 on the credit side. The balance amount is total credit side is more 912. The difference is 912 minus 580. 332 is the balance carried down on 31st March. This is on 31st March. Balance carried down. So balance brought down will be on the opposite side. Opposite side. Balance brought down. Balance brought down 332. This is on 1st April. So our question is, what is the balance on 1st April balance? 1st April balance is on the credit side 332. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is C, 332 credit.